this look I did a couple days ago. Yeah, that's it. Keep watching. Okay, y'all, so the first step is always I'm going to prime my eyes with my concealer. Nothing special, just the LA Girl concealer in the color medium beige. And the brush that I'm using is a flat top concealer brush. I think it's really for underneath the eyes, but with makeup, you do what you want to do. Okay, so today I'm going to be using tape underneath my eyes. I wanted the look to come out looking real clean and crisp, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so before y'all try to come for me, I know the drama that's going on with Juvia's Place, but I had already did this look before this drama happened, so I did use the palette in this video. So I'm using the Zulu palette, and I'm starting off with the pink shade. So first, I'm just trying to kind of build the color up, and then I'm going in with this second brush to really blend it out. So still using the same palette, I'm going in with this blue teal kind of looking shade. That's the first time I did this look. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I used the teal blue looking color out of there. But I was like, since it's already a blue in this palette, I just use this one. Okay, now I'm getting ready to cut my crease using the same concealer. But you guys, I know I need to practice on this because it be looking kind of sloppy. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright, so I was using a flat top concealer brush to just, I don't know, blend it in, I guess. And then I used my pink shade to go back in and blend it out. And so now I'm using the Masquerade palette, and I'm using a blue shimmer to make the middle of this eye pop. And then on the other eye, of course, I'm going to be using a pink shimmer. But I'm going to be using the crayon case palette for that one. Alright, so when you get done doing that, you want to go back in with the pink and blend it out some more. Okay, so I'm just getting ready to do the same thing on this eye. Put the concealer, blend it in, all that. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to be using the Box of Crayons palette from the crayon case. And the shade that I'm going to be using from this palette is Magenta. It's just like a pink shimmer shade. Okay, y'all, so right here, I don't know how, but I just kept missing, like, I kept missing the crease in my eye. I don't know if I took the concealer up higher than I did on the other eye, but yeah, that line, just ignore that. Alright, so using my favorite highlighter, this is the Luna Cosmetics highlighter. I think the shade of this highlighter is called Luna, so I don't know. I get out of the Ipsy bag, but I'm just taking my brush that I always use that also came out of an Ipsy bag, and I just put it in the inner corner eye, and then I'm gonna use it to highlight my face. So I'm just going to be putting on this lip gloss from the beauty supply store. When I first did this look, I did outline my lips with a brown lip liner, but I completely forgot about it in this video. So I just used my lip gloss. Alright, y'all, so I went and put lashes on off camera, but this is the final look. So if you like how it came out, give me a like, comment, and subscribe.